Welcome back to another Inspired Reviews video. Today we'll be going over the Chromebook. And to begin, let me go ahead and get into this very quickly. My favorite thing about the computer is just nice design. It has like the nice slick black design, so it doesn't really stand out too much. You don't have like that nice kind of glossy kind of look, the silver look on the computer. So it does kind of just like keep it like a kind of like a quiet kind of color. If I go ahead and open it up, as you can see, you are agreed with this computer. It does have a little lock screen on it. I don't really worry about that. I won't open it up for the sake of this video. But another thing I really like about this computer is it's kind of like a smaller computer. You don't really have like the bigger kind of computers, like all big and bulky. You have like a kind of, with this, it does have the updated keyboard right here. So it has all the nice computer keys. It does have the power button up here. And as you can see, it does also have a camera up there. There's a camera and also a built-in microphone on this computer if you like to do Skype, or also you have to get in a Teams or Zoom meeting. Definitely recommend this computer. On the side right here, this computer does also come with the updated Apple charger. So if you like the fast charger, this does have that. And also it comes with the USB cord if you want to plug it on there. On this side, you can also see another USB cord. You have a SIM cord, aux cord, and this is also where you charge the computer on this side. Overall, I really like this computer, and I feel like it is a really great computer if you're kind of in an office, or maybe it's a personal use computer. Definitely recommend picking this up if you kind of like the smaller kind of computer look and don't like the bigger, kind of bulky, and also like the black look. I definitely recommend picking up one of these Chromebooks.